Hi, today I'm gonna tell you about posts and pages. How will you will create the post and pages. Please subscribe my channel. So let's get started. Here I'll click on post and from here my post this page will be open. From here I can click on add new. So from here I can add any new post. First let me open my website that is 000webpostapp.com. So this is my website. I have not applied any good theme and or plugins, but you can see it's just simple. So let's add a new post. Go here and I'll add a new post. This is a practice post. So I'll write here, hi everyone, how are you? So I'll publish it. I can even save it as a draft. It means it will not be live, but it will just, I can view it for myself. But I'll publish it right now. So I will go my and I'll refresh it. And here you can see that you can see my new post. Hi everyone, how are you? That is my new post you can see here right now. So you can add as many posts as you want, as I have added this image, feature image, and many more. So how can you create new pages? Um, Yes, so let's go to the pages. Let me tell you about more. If you see here, there is an option called screen options. If you go here, you will see categories, tags, post attributes, feature image, excerpt, send trackbacks, custom fields, discussion, and all. You can enable it if you want, and from here you can do many more. So if you want to delete it, you can just go here, move to bin, and your post will be deleted. So now if I go to my website and see, yeah, there is no post. It has been deleted. So let's go to the pages, and if you go to pages, from here you will click on, as you can see, let me show you. There are one, three, seven, six pages. But I'll add one more. Like I'll add a new page. Let me change my theme because I couldn't see the pages. Let's from the parents I can go themes and from here I can enable another theme like let me check here. I will enable this one, momentous life. Let me enable this one. So I'll activate this theme and I'll refresh it so I can see my pages very clearly. So when I open it, you can see I have four pages here: about, home, sample, and topics. And these are my posts here. So I'll add one more page that will display here. So let's go on pages and I'll click on add new. So as you click on add new, you can create new page. So here I'll write my new page. So inside this, I will add an image. I can add here from add media as well, or even I can drag and drop. So suppose I add this image, insert it into my page. Yeah. So I'm going to publish it. You can see. So yeah. So now if I go to my website and refresh it, you can see here my new page. When I open it, you can see I've added an image, so you can see. So like that you can create as many pages as you want and many posts, and you can see here. So please subscribe my channel. That's all. Thank you so much. Goodbye.